Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Helps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to log into your Wayfair Mastercard account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to log into your Wayfair Mastercard account from your computer, first open your preferred browser as I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in wayfair.com like this and hit enter, or you can just simply search for Wayfair Mastercard login like this and hit enter, and you can see on the first site for Wayfair credit card is available over here, which is City Retail Services by Wayfair. Click over there, and from the home page we are over here. Now to log into your Mastercard from your Wayfair home page, you can see the Wayfair credit card option available over here on the top right corner of the screen. Click over there, and after that you can see the manage your account option available over here, where I'm moving right now. Click on manage your account, and you can see both of these websites are going to open the same site. Now from this website you'll be again required to click on sign on now. Click on sign in now. On this tab, you can see the same site has opened as this one where we open from the Google search. Now let's close one of these, and to log into your Wayfair Mastercard account, simply click on user ID and enter user ID and your password over here, and click on sign on to log into your Wayfair Mastercard account. Or if you have not yet created an account on Wayfair, you can see the get started option available over here. Click on get started to go through the procedure to sign up for Wayfair account. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or reset password, simply click on retrieve user ID or reset password to retrieve, depending upon which one you lost. And there, guys, this is how you log into your Wayfair Mastercard account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.